Hey, how you doing today? My name is Matt and I'm with MarineMax of Gulf Shores. Today we're going to be looking at the 2022 Grady White Canyon 326. If you follow me on board, we'll take a look inside. This boat's going to come with the twin 300s. You also have your engine flush mounts right there. Yeah, you're going to have your battery switches that control the batteries and the bilge pump. Here you're going to have your fresh water and then your raw water. Come over here, have the live well. Also comes with a light in there as well. Here's a fish box. It's going to be your bench seat. Swim platform on the side. You look in here, all that storage. This is your sink area. Another live well right here. There's your tackle area. You follow me, we'll take a look inside the helm. So this is going to come with a Fusion radio. It's also going to come with the brand new Helm Master by Yamaha. This is going to have your heading hold, course hold, track point, and pattern steer. You want to come over here, we'll take a look inside the head. So as you see, we have a nice spacious head, sink. Also you have rod holders and extra storage. And here this comes with the casting platform. It's going to have bolsters from bow to stern. And you got your backrest. It also comes out, folds back up. You can also use it as extra padding for fishing. Cup holders. This is a beautiful boat. This boat is available. As always, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.